Well, Sharice, just about a half hour ago, we had some of those snowflakes that Haley was talking about come flying through this area. But right now it appears the snow has tampered off a little bit here. You know, Rochester saw about half a foot of snow, and residents here in town are saying enough is enough.
It's kind of disappointing.
Deborah and Richard Longo are not too pleased with having to shovel their driveway yet again, especially considering we're about 2 weeks into spring. The two say they are ready for warmer weather.
Oh, past ready. We get all the seasonal weather before the season except for spring.
And the heavy wet snow is not making for an easy cleanup, forcing the Longos to bring out their snowblower to help out.
Sort of.
Yeah, sort of. I have to clean out the chute once a run because it's so heavy it won't push.
Philip Grant also turning to technology for snow removal. His electric shovel coming in handy to clear his property.
If you don't have a snowblower living in New England, then, well, best of luck to your back.
And this weekend snowstorm putting a damper on spring fever in New Hampshire, especially at Moo's Place in Derry, where for the first time in 13 years, the ice cream shop has had to cancel their April 1st opening.
Well, it's disappointing. You know, we always hope for a nice, sunny, 60-degree day. But unfortunately, this year we didn't get it.
But among all the white snow lies some sort of silver lining.
Better now than when things are blooming and they break or it damages crops or whatever. So we'll take it now and maybe it'll warm up.
There you go, looking at the positive side of things, I guess, and warm weather is likely to come in the next couple of days, so I guess that is something to look forward to. We're live here in Rochester. I'm Tim Callery, WMUR News 9.